Riu Hinga nĩarĩkĩtie ku announce some very unexpected news. Thutha wa thikũ nyingĩ na mĩeri mĩingĩ ona nginya a couple of years, Hinga akoretwo akĩnengereria andũ cai kana exposés and even exclusive stories ciĩgiĩ aini na Kikuyu celebrities mũno mũno arĩo aramũrĩkaga. Rĩu Hinga nĩarĩkĩtie ku announce ndeto atĩ nĩarĩkĩtie kũhinga chapter ĩno na nĩakorwo akiumbũra atĩ this is now her departure. Akĩhingũra account ĩno na akĩanjia wĩra ũyũ, mission yake yarĩ gũ shine light on the evils that may have been happening and occurring in the gospel industry, Kikuyu industry, andũ matekũmenya, na oho streamline maũndũ maya. Na rĩu Hinga nĩarĩkĩtie kuumbũra atĩ nĩaraigua ta arutĩte wĩra ũrĩa abatie gũkorwo akĩruta, na nĩakorwo akiumbũra na kũrekereria an official statement akĩdeclare the closing and end of this chapter. Na thutha ũcio Akenya of course arĩa matekwĩrĩgĩrĩire ndeto ici nĩmakorwo makĩyumĩria na njĩra nene mũno, aingĩ makĩonania kĩeha na ihoru rĩao, na ona nginya Kikuyu celebrities amwe ao nĩmakorwo makĩyumĩria, angĩ makĩonania gũcokeria ngatho Martha Mwihaki nĩgũkorwo streamline na expose maũndũ matarakĩũĩkaine, na oho magĩkiuga they will miss her. Na angĩ ona magĩtigwo makĩyũria what could be the reason why Hinga has decided to exit. Na Hinga's statement nĩyo ĩno, akiuga official statement transitioning from Martha Mwihaki Hinga. Dear friends, followers and supporters, I hope this message finds you well. Today I stand before you to share a significant and heartfelt announcement. For the past 2 years, I have had the privilege of running the Martha Mwihaki Hinga Facebook account, a platform dedicated to the correctional ministry and shedding light on societal issues, particularly within the context of the church. It has been a journey filled with passion, purpose, and unwavering commitment to the truth. The role of Martha Mwihaki Hinga was clear from the start: to act as a whistleblower, shining spotlight on matters that demanded our collective attention. I embarked on this mission because of a deep-seated belief in the power of truth and the need to address societal injustices, especially when they occurred within the framework of the church. However, as I step away from this phase of my life and transition into a more personal space, I find it essential to reflect on the impact of my actions. In the pursuit of truth and justice, I recognized that there were times when my words and actions may have caused hurt or discomfort to some individuals. To those individuals, I want to extend my heartfelt apologies. It was never my intention to inflict pain, but rather to shed light on issues that needed addressing. I ask for your forgiveness and understanding. Similarly, I acknowledge that during this journey, I too have been hurt by others. It's important for me to express that I hold no grudges and extend a hand of forgiveness to those who may have caused me pain. We are all human and we all make mistakes. Forgiveness is a powerful force that can heal wounds and restore peace. As I reflect on this chapter of my life, I am profoundly grateful for the vision that initiated it all. It began with a personal encounter that exposed a disconnect between the gospel's teachings and the actions of someone close to me. That pivotal moment ignited the Martha Mwihaki Hinga story, and I am grateful for the opportunity it provided to advocate for change and seek the truth. In closing, I want to emphasize that God has a remarkable way of transforming, reforming, and elevating us. My decision to step away from this ministry does not signify an end, but rather a new beginning. I look forward to the next chapter of my life, where I can continue to grow, learn, and serve in different capacities. Thank you for your support and encouragement throughout this journey. I remain deeply appreciative of each one of you and the impact we have collectively made. With sincere gratitude and best wishes, Martha Mwihaki Hinga. Na Wangeci Kariuki nĩ ũmwe wa arĩa makorwo makĩyumĩria na gũkorwo makĩreact to Martha Mwihaki Hinga's official goodbye statement, akĩmwĩra atĩ whoever you are, my husband said, Martha anakupenda. I know you caused discomfort on things that Satan himself was hurt about, but at the same time, you streamlined issues to do with proper gospel and its dispensation. May we all find peace and forgiveness. Adios, but wewe ni nani? Wangeci Kariuki akienda kũmenya who Martha is, atathiĩte nĩagĩakorwo akĩmera who she really is, na arĩa agĩkiumbũra who she is as she exits. Na oho ona nginya mafans aya angĩ onao nĩmeyumĩrĩtie na njĩra nene mũno, thousands reacting to Martha Mwihaki Hinga's departure, na magĩkiuga they will miss her. No nĩagĩkorwo akĩruta wĩra mwega, in as much as she may have wronged some people, wĩra wake nĩaruta wega na nĩagĩkorwo akĩ-expose so many evils happening behind the scenes in the gospel industry and the church.